Here we go one level higher, not extreme overkill, but the premium tier that actually makes sense for a mid-range CPU. This is where you want better heatsinks, more M2 slots, cleaner layouts, and upgraded connectivity without stepping into the overpriced territory meant for i9 overclocking. So here are the three boards in play: Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Pro X Wi-Fi 7, MSI MPG Z790 Carbon Max Wi-Fi 2, and ASUS ROG Strix Z790F Gaming Wi-Fi. Each offers stronger VRMs, cleaner cable routing, and high-end features. The MSI Carbon Max is the more RGB-friendly overbuilt option. The ROG Strix Z790F leans into refined tuning tools, polished BIOS controls, and a clean ROG look. Both are excellent, but both aim a bit higher in price. The board that lands in the perfect premium but reasonable zone is the Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Pro X Wi-Fi 7. It brings an 18+1+2 VRM that's more than enough for a 14600K, supports Wi-Fi 7, includes one PCIe 5.0 M2 slot alongside four PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, and delivers one of the nicest ATX layouts Gigabyte has ever made. It looks premium, it feels premium, and it performs like a top high-end board without drifting into flagship-only territory. If your budget allows and you want something flashier, the MSI Carbon Max Wi-Fi 2 becomes the natural step up. If you want ROG BIOS tools and a stylish build, the Z790F Gaming Wi-Fi is the one that fits that direction. But for a premium choice that still matches the 14600K's class without overshooting it, the Gigabyte Z790 AORUS Pro X Wi-Fi is the clear winner.